Hello, if you're watching this, you've found the Postgraduate Wellness Office page. I'm Anita Gupta, and I work as a wellness consultant in the Postgraduate Wellness Office, and I'm a psychologist by training.
Yes, hello, and I'm Jalen Bradbury. I also work as a wellness consultant and I'm a social worker by training. Our office is currently working remotely for everyone's safety, but we remain ready and available to support you through telephone or secure video appointments. In addition to the two of us, our team is made up of two directors and our administrative coordinator, Diana. As wellness consultants, Anita and I offer free, confidential psychotherapy, and we aim to be flexible in terms of appointment times. So, in addition to offering appointments throughout the day, we have some evening and early morning times available as well. We're here to support you, whether it be through personal or professional challenges. And it's important for you to know that PGME does not know who we see or what you speak to us about. If you haven't met with one of us clinically, you might have attended one of our workshops at one of your academic half days. We're figuring out how to continue to provide those workshops online, and we'll keep you updated on that.
Jalen and I wanted to take a chance to say thank you to you. Thank you for what you're doing for your patients. Thank you for what you're doing for the public during this time of great uncertainty and change. We know that there isn't just one way to feel in stressful situations, but we do know that coping with uncertainty that comes with training and working during this unprecedented stressor, such as the COVID-19 pandemic, can be understandably challenging on many, many fronts. So we thought, in addition to providing individual and workshop support, right now we're going to try to post things in real time on this page. Maybe it's things that you might find helpful, such as how to cope with COVID-19 information overload, coping with fear about your own safety or the safety of your loved ones, how to practice staying present and engaged at work in the face of anxiety and fear and uncertainty. Maybe just we can share some information about free resources for meditation or fun forms of physical activity that you can do inside your own home, how to stay connected with others, and how to cope with being in isolation if that happens.
Yeah. You might be finding that the stressful time is causing you to experience challenges that you've never faced before. And alternatively or additionally, you may be finding that the current stress is exacerbating your pre-existing challenges that you may have had. In either case, please feel free to connect with us.
Yeah. So Jalen and I thought we could just try something today. So I'm just going to ask you to go ahead and stand up wherever you are. And I'm just going to ask you to stretch wherever your body needs it. Okay, great. Thank you for doing that. Thank you for giving yourself just a little bit of a minute for yourself.
Please don't hesitate to reach out if you'd like to. Know that we're here for you. Take good care.
Thank you.